This is a learning and exam preparation video for the business syllabus. At the end of the video are practice assignments for you to prepare you from the exams. Please click www.intmace.com on the link at the bottom of this video to do the assignments for this topic. Unit 3.4 Final Accounts 2. Principles and Ethics of Accounting Practice. ACCA, Code of Ethics and Conduct. The Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, ACCA, is a global body of professional accountants that offers business-relevant qualifications to people seeking careers in accountancy, finance, and management. The Code of Ethics and Conduct is binding on all members of ACCA, in any partner in ACCA practice, regardless of whether or not they are members of ACCA, or any professional body. 5 Fundamental Principles in Accounting. The 5 fundamental principles in accounting according to the ACCA Code of Ethics and Conduct are integrity, objectivity, professional competence and due care, confidentiality, and professional behavior. Integrity. Members shall be straightforward and honest in all professional and business relationships. Their ACCA rulebook goes on to state that integrity implies not merely honesty, but fair dealing, truthfulness. Objectivity. Members shall not allow bias, conflicts of interest, or the undue influence of others to compromise their professional or business judgment. Professional competence and due care. Members have the continuing duty to maintain professional knowledge and skills at a level required to ensure that clients or employees receive competent professional service. Members shall act diligently in accordance with the applicable technical and professional standards when providing professional services. Confidentiality. Members shall respect the confidentiality of information acquired as a result of professional and business relationships and shall not disclose any such information to third parties without proper and specific authority or unless there is a legal or professional right or duty to disclose. Similarly, confidential information acquired as a result of professional and business relationships shall not be used to the personal advantage of members or third parties. Professional behavior. Members shall comply with relevant laws and regulations and shall avoid any action that may discredit the profession. Their ACCA rulebook goes further and states that members shall behave with courtesy and consideration towards all with whom they come into contact in a professional capacity. The main final accounts. Profit and loss account. It is also known as an income statement. This shows the records of income and expenditure flows of a business over a given period of time. It, therefore, establishes where a business has made a profit or loss and this was distributed at the end of the period. It is divided into 3 parts, the trading account, the profit and loss account, and the appropriation account. 1. The trading accounts. It shows the difference between the sales revenue and the cost to the business of those sales. It is shown at the top part of the income statement that establishes the gross profit of the business. Gross profit equals sales revenue minus cost of sales. 2. The profit and loss account. The second part of the income statements shows the net profit before interest and tax, net profit before tax, and net profit after interest tax. Net profit before interest and tax is calculated by net profit before interest and tax equals gross profit minus expenses. Net profit before tax is calculated by subtracting interest payable on loans from the net profit before interest and tax. Net profit before tax equals net profit before interest and tax minus interest. Then the net profit after interest and tax is found by deducting corporation tax, Tax on company profits, from net profit before tax. Net profit after interest and tax equals net profit before tax minus corporation tax. 3. The appropriation accounts. This is the final part of the profit and loss account that shows how the company's net profit after interest and tax is distributed. This distribution is in two forms, either as dividends to shareholders or as retained profits, plowed back profit. Practice assignments, exam prep assignments for the ACCA Business Studies syllabus. You may now proceed to try out the exam preparation assignments. All assignments will be marked and feedback will be given. Should you need to speak to one of our tutors, send your email to administration@intmace.com. Please proceed to the link www.intmace.com at the bottom of this video to commence with your practice. Please click subscribe to our video if you find the content useful. All the best with your assignments.